Welcome back to another video by Mr. Project. In this video, we're going to be looking at Jimmy Safiro RB25 build. There's lots of footage, there's lots of ups and downs, there's dyno videos, there's subframe, there's this, there's that, there's track days. Let's get stuck into it. There's probably going to be enough footage for 2 videos. Let's hope so. If not, it's all going to be crammed into one video. Let's kick it off right now.
So we're all together. Everything's buttoned up. The only thing we need is fuel and spark plugs. So tuner required. BCP R70Ss, gap to 0.8 mil. We can work our way down from there. So let's get into it. We'll knock the coil packs and catch cam lines out and fit these up, and away we go. That was all the way. Sounds tasty. Here she is on the dyno. Locked up. Draining the oil. Noises. Looks promising so far. Got old Dino here. Matty's just bedding the motor in. We wired in extra oil pressure straight to the ECU so we can wire in some engine protection for if oil pressure drops, it'll kind of go in the limp mode type thing. So it looks like he's finished that, and looks like he's just bedding the motor in, and everything looks good so far. No massive smoke coming from the catch can or anything like that, and seems to be running quite smooth and nice. Fingers crossed. Oil's all changed up. Dean's doing a leak check by the looks of it.
Yeah.
I think you're just admiring it. It's alright, I sit there and admire it too. Even when it's not running.
I don't admire your work.
So Dino says it's already made like 15 pounds of boost. Not working hard at like 4 grand. Everything kind of checks out, and changed the oil and
Ready for some power.
Ready for the power. Looks good sitting on the dyno. It's like hooked up to IV by the look of it. It's like in a hospital.
In a rave hospital.
Rave hospital. So I made jap nuts, all unloaded. Seffi's warming up, got the gazebo set up. A few people on train already. So yeah, should be a good day. I'm the only one here so far. So we will see how we go. Wait for the boys to come. They should be getting here about, I don't know, 8, 9 o'clock. And I should have a few runs on track by then. And Zach ditched me. He said he was going to come about midday, so that was great. So I set up, couldn't get this gazebo up, but I got the 3x3s up. So yeah, well, see how we go. It's nice and cool. Wait for the Seffi to warm up and go from there. Well, all in all, a good day. Just leaving the truck now. Seffi's fully loaded. Broke a turbo, but still got 3/4 a day in. So that's about it. Signing out.